Hellcat.
What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today's episode we're gonna be doing a test range for the Mavic Mini. I know it's not something that we do usually, but I had this little drone for about over a month and I never tested how far it can go. So hey, let's give it a shot. Let's give it a shot and see how far can it go. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you already did, well, welcome
Take
to the
off.
family.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Beautiful day out here in California today. Not a single cloud. Lots of clouds today. It's kind of cloudy. Well, let's keep climbing. We're gonna go all the way to 200 feet. Although 100 feet sounds pretty good, but I wanna go a little farther. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Let's go to the street. So right now we are at 133 feet. We're gonna avoid flying over people and stuff. So we're just gonna go over the main road. As you can see, Mavic Mini is pretty fast. But you just gotta be careful fly when there's no wind, because it will not fly good with wind. There's a little aircraft interference. Let's go up a little higher. Let's keep going straight. Right now we're at 1,070 or 1,200 feet away at 156 feet. We're crossing one of the main roads. We gotta adjust the antennas. A little bit of a braking. We have lost the signal completely. Let's see if we can go a little bit higher and catch that again. There we go. Let's keep moving forward. A 19,000 feet. Still going strong. A lot of video braking. Let's see if we can get a little bit higher. That will probably fix the issue. 200 feet right there. And again, video breakage. Let's go up a little higher. $2,600 feet. Let's see if we can make it to this stadium here. Let's tilt down a little bit higher. 230 feet. Check that out, guys. We're 3,000 feet away. Let's go to the next one. This place is really neat. Let's go up a little higher, just so that we avoid video breaking again. 3,500 feet away. And we are still doing really good. Not gonna lie to you guys, I'm a little bit nervous. Just because in case that I lost the drone, we got the weak signal. Let's go up a little bit higher. We lost signal again. Not to worry about the signal because, well, we got GPS. So you can see right there on the GPS. I know where I'm at. Let's get the GPS. Let's keep going. Cancel. Let's cancel the turn to home. And let's keep coming back. This place is massive. Look at it. When the video comes back. Weak signal again. Adjust antennas. I already did. We are keep coming back. We are still coming back. We are 253 feet altitude. We are 3,473 feet away. And well, it looks pretty nice when you don't lose the signal. We had a couple fires, brush fires yesterday. So that's, oops, sorry guys. There's a lot of smoke on the air right now. Let's go back to the main road again. As you can see, we lost signal again, but the GPS is still coming forward. So as long as we got GPS, we are good. There's no wind right now, no wind resistance, so it should be good. Let's bring it down just a little bit. 200 feet, that's where I like to fly comfortably. Right there. Maybe a little bit lower. Right there. What do you guys think, huh? It's pretty neat. If you don't have a drone, or if you're thinking of doing a YouTube channel, I suggest you get a drone. Especially a DJI Mavic. It's not too expensive, and it's super easy to fly. I had the GoPro Karma drone. That was huge, and that thing wasn't easy to fly at all. It would lose the speed signal all the time. It was really hard to control. We're only 800 feet away, still flying strong. And this Mavic Mini doesn't make any noise at all, almost no noise. Let's lose the GPS because we don't need it right now. We know where we're at. We're 500 feet away. A lot of houses, guys. A lot of houses here. And I can hear it now. Let's keep going down. It's right over us. I see it now. As a matter of fact, there I am. There I am. Don't land on the pool, little guy. Face me. There you are. Do a little drone.
Landing.
Alright guys, if you like this episode, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. And if you're into drones, or if you're new to drones, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep doing this little range test. And yeah, I'll catch you guys very soon on the next one. Peace. God bless.